Hey Scorpio, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a reading for your soulmate, all that you need to know, where this connection is going, their feelings, intentions, and possibly what can you expect by the next 15 days. So let's start. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node, soulmate relationship. Okay, so let's start. What's your overall energy going to be like? We have Ace of Wands. So many of you guys are enjoying. You guys are feeling that vibe again, all over again. You guys could be looking very good at this time as well. Even if you lack confidence, I still believe things are working for you. You guys are getting a lot of attention, regardless how you feel personally. I see you doing really well in terms of attention or in terms of having other options. Okay, top card we have 10 of cups. So many of you guys could have just started a new relationship or will start a new relationship. If you guys are already in a relationship, then I see that going really well for you. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. Okay, we have death card, which speaks about changes. Death is a very much a Scorpio card, which is all about changes, cycles ending for new cycles to begin. So whatever change you have to do in order to move forward, you should be doing that. Okay, there has come a point where you have to end something which you already know about. It's not like something unknown which you already know about. You have to end it for good things. Okay, for good things to come or good things to happen. Top card we have is a Fool card. Many of you guys could have been very indecisive. You have a plan, but you haven't been taking action towards it. So if you have a plan and you are very much looking forward to it, then I do want you to take that risk in terms of moving forward. Okay, in terms of what to expect. With Seven of Swords, I still behave. I still believe. Sorry, that you guys are behaving a little sneaky. Okay, you guys could be watching your ex, or still thinking about your ex, or thinking about someone who has been in and out of your life. Okay, with Seven of Swords, I also feel that many of you guys can expect your ex to reach out. This person is 100% stalking you. They are keeping a watch on you, and this sneaky asshole can come back to your life. Okay, in terms of what's your overall challenge going to be for this month. We have Page of Swords. So darling, you guys have a plan. You guys have thought of a process or a plan, but you have to take action. If you want to get somewhere, you have to make the first move. Okay, so instead of holding back, instead of resisting, instead of fearing the change, you guys should take that risk. Okay, the challenge would be that first step forward. Okay, in terms of relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like for Scorpio? Relationship, we have Six of Cups, which tells me that if you guys already have someone in your life, then that is going well. Okay, at least I see it going smooth for the next 10 to 15 days. In terms of your soulmate, what's the energy like towards you? We have Queen of Wands. They're very much attracted towards you, very much still wanting you, very much still wanting to move things forward. So yes, in the past they could have been at crossroads, but right now they are very much sexually obsessed with you at this very time. Okay, I see you guys having lots of fun together, especially when it comes to physical intimacy. Okay, a lot of good things coming your way. In terms of strength, that is also a very sexual card. I see this person having naughty thoughts about you and wanting to possibly meet you and plans in that direction. Okay, in terms of how do they view this connection with you? However, they feel like you are emotionally distant or you are emotionally away. You haven't been expressing yourself like the way they want you to. One more card. Some of you might be in a long distance relationship, so it might be difficult to physically meet or to move things forward in terms of relationship. Sometimes when things are long distance, you can only have a connection to one point, right? With Ace of Cups, they know that you have feelings for them. It's just that they do not understand why you are not being expressive. Okay, you haven't been very expressive lately, Scorpios. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, we have Nine of Cups. This person is madly in love with you. Okay, for many of you, it's a water sign itself. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you, it could be Libra or Gemini. Okay, one more card. Five of Swords. When it comes to the heart space, this person is still pissed off on you for something you have done or not done. They still have a grudge. Okay, they might not be saying it out loud, but they could be a little, like wishy-washy quite lately. Okay, like they want you to react in a certain way, and you haven't been reacting. So they could be playing mind games to get a certain reaction out of you. Okay, in terms of headspace. In terms of hate space, they do want to move forward. I mean, I don't see anything wrong or negative or deceptive. It's just that your person wants a reaction from you or wants you to be acting or behaving in a certain way. I mean, it's not easy to control a Scorpio, right? One shouldn't as well, but they are wanting to like wanting you to react in a certain way. Okay, with the devil card, some of you, I believe this person might try to seduce you or try to get things very sexual to a point where you can't resist them anymore. So that could happen. Okay, in terms of their intentions. Intention, we have Seven of Cups. Why is the Seven of Cups here? Okay, for many of you, I believe if things have been confusing lately, then they want to sort, the connection out. They want to possibly bring in more balance, more peace. Okay, they do not want to hold on to a connection where you guys continuously fight and make things difficult for each other. They'll want to possibly sort it out. Okay, for many of you, I believe if this person can sort the connection out with you, can find the common ground, they will. Okay, they might take couple of days, but they definitely will. Okay, how are they coming forward towards you now? Yeah, with Five of Wands, for a while, expect this person to be a little resistive towards you, like not really opening up or still trying to be hard to get. Okay, so that is all part of the plan, to be honest. Okay, one more card. What do they want with you now? Wheel of Fortune. They want this connection to move forward, in a positive way, of course. For now, where is this connection going? Why is the Four of Cups here? I do not know why Scorpios, you guys are still a part of each other, but it's like Scorpio has lost hope that this could lead to something permanent or something long term. I do not know why, but Scorpio seems a bit resistive, or Scorpio seems a bit negative about the whole situation going forward. Okay. With the Emperor card, I also feel like you are behaving a little controlling. You guys are not really showing your emotions much, or not trying to speak about how you feel, what you feel. Not really giving them any sort of idea. Okay, in terms of what's blocking the connection. What's blocking the connection is the hurt that you guys have put each others through. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, this waiting game has also disturbed the connection. Okay, so for some of you, this person could have kept you waiting, or you kept the person waiting. Take however it resonates, and in this connection, someone has hurt the other, and the other person isn't yet over it, so they'll still take more time to heal. Okay, in terms of what do they want from you now? For some of you, I'm getting a very clear cut message that this person, for a couple of days, might want some space. If you're dealing with someone who's a bit upset with you, then they might definitely want some space from you. They will come back, but they'll need some alone time. Okay, in terms of how do they view you? They view you as someone who they want in their life, something permanent, something long term. With the Tower card, they know that things are not very mellow between the two of you, but they also know that it won't end. Okay, in terms of how would they react to you in the coming days or weeks? With Ten of Cups, they still want you and they will continue wanting you. Okay, so there's no reason to fear or doubt. With King of Pentacles, this person definitely wants something long term. Okay, however, you might not want to see it that way. I do not know what's bothering you, but yes. Okay, in terms of love messages, let's take few love messages for Scorpio. We have one. I never wanted to get attached, but I failed. Someone did not want to get attached to you, but they did, and they are very much in connection with you more than attached. I would say having feelings. Okay, one more card. We have another message. Intimacy issues. So for some of you, there might be some intimacy issues where you guys are resisting them or they were resisting you because someone doesn't feel confident. Okay, one more card. We have past life karmic. This counts for many signs. So yes, for some of you, this might be a past life soulmate. Okay, we have another message. I choose you. So if they had a choice, okay, and they were distant because they had to make a decision, they'll very much choose you. I'm sorry for pulling away. This is how I deal with things. So if for some of you, your person has been resisting you, they are just trying to deal with the pressure of the connection. Okay, I'm sorry for pulling away. This is how I deal with things. So this was your reading for Scorpio for the next 15 days. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button, support the channel. Every like counts, darling, so please be supportive. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. All those who are wanting a personal reading with me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.